Lesson 4.5, the converse of the Pythagorean Theorem. What was the Pythagorean Theorem and how did we use it? Pythagorean Theorem said if we have a right triangle and we have side lengths of 5 and 12 and we don't know the other one, then we can say, well, 5 squared plus 12 squared equals c squared. 169 equals c squared. C will equal 13. That was the Pythagorean Theorem. Played with it a fair amount in class. Going to play with it some more, but we're going to do it backwards. So here's a triangle. Get sides of 10, 24, and 26. You say, oh, just take 10 squared and whoa, slow down. We need to know if it's a right triangle. We don't know right now. So you're right. Let's do this. 10 squared plus 24 squared. And then we write over here little equals, and I put a question mark above it because we don't know if they're equal. 26 squared. We get still a question mark. 676 on this side. 100 plus 576. And then we say 676 is equal to 676. We put a little check mark and say, yes, it's a right angle. I like exclamation points. You don't need them. So just to be clear, it's called the converse. This is the Pythagorean theorem. If we have a 90-degree angle, we know a squared plus b squared equals c squared. That's the theorem. The converse, if you recall, we just turn it around. If a squared plus b squared equals c squared, then we have a 90-degree angle. So when you're confronted with a triangle, take the two smaller ones, square them, add them together, see if they add up to the bigger one squared. Let's try 6, 9, and 10. 6 squared plus 9 squared, question mark, 10 squared, 36 plus 81, 100. 36 plus 81 is 117. Not equal. Let's try this other one over here. Well, we know it's not a right angle, but let's see what else we might know. 6 squared plus 9 squared, question mark, 12 squared. Already did this one, 117 does not equal 144. But what do we notice? 117 is greater than 100. 117 is less than 144. So, already done this one. If they're equal, it's right. If c squared is less than, we have an acute triangle. So c squared is less than that. This is acute. Notice I wrote them backwards compared to here, which is highly annoying. I apologize. And over here, c squared is greater than. It's going to be obtuse. That's it. Lots of practice, just blasting it out. Not too many problems to do. Going to get you working. Good luck.